Everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Airbnb reviews for your site in Squarespace. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is Airbnb widgets. So let's just click sign up for free. You can sign up with the Facebook or Google, up to you. When you will have it, let's just click login here. When you log in, you want to write here Air, and you're going to see here Airbnb reviews. Let's create a widget. So now when we have it, you can choose between carousel, grid, slide, or list, or just reviews widget. Let's continue with the template. Now you just place the URL here of the place. You can go with layout and change the layout to list, to masonry. I'm going to leave list. Review, classic, also you can change the review template, and style, colors, you can change it to whatever you want. It's a red one. Let's just click save here. And now when we have it, you will have a code. But before that, they will ask you for a plan. I recommend going with the basic or pro version. There's like $10 or $5 a month, and it's like 50,000 views or 5,000 views. Light version is $0 a month, so that's like if you're starting out. But if you already have site with a lot of views, go with the pro version. Or you can choose all applications, but we will get to it. So when we are here, let's just add a code. Let's just click apply, and voila, we got it. So yeah, this is how you got it. Also, I recommend adding spacer between your, like, not in between, have your script between the spacer. That's also pretty cool. So you have it centered in the middle, and it's also good for mobile preview. So that's probably it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Also, check all the applications here. Like Pro Pack, $36 a month, or Basic Pack with $18 a month if you like some. Like Facebook feed, Facebook chat, Twitter feed, Instagram feed, etc. You can choose those. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.